Okay, so we've created these top 3 ones so far. Okay, so we're heading on to this. And I'm going to go ahead and make sure that all of these are, let's see. Okay, if this is all one, I'm going to size this down. I'm going to group this and size it on down. And then this one I'm going to size on down, just to kind of get it out of our way. So we're about halfway there on the pages. Let's see. So now we're going to create the branch. They say pink leaves. That's kind of a red leaf to me, but that's fine. We're going to do a ellipses. And it's going to be 209, 18, and 66. And then we're going to do that. Add anchor point. And then with this one, we're going to go to Effect, Distort and Transform, Roughen. So it's super rough. Check Absolute. Move the detail slider to 10, which is already there. And this size is going to be 3. And then check Smooth. And then OK. Then I'm going to go to Object, Expand Appearance. There we go. And then again, we're going to go get that stalk. And the color on that one now is going to be 130, 0, and 36. Make that a little bit bigger. Okay. And then I'm going to copy paste. Make this stalk a lot smaller. And then rotate it. Go ahead and group that. And then holding down my Shift Alt. Do that. And then do Control D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then I'm going to copy paste, transform, reflect, bring these up, make a match. Okay, so that should look like that. And then we're going to do the acorn, so I'm going to size this one on down and group it. Let's do that acorn. That acorn color is going to be 205, 178, and 47. And then we're going to get a brown ellipses where the color on that is going to be 121, 68, 0. And then we're going to get our direct selection tool. It kind of size it up like that. So here I'm going to draw out a rectangle. And then go to Effect, Warp, Arc, do Vertical. The bend's going to be negative 35, 0, negative 30. And then I'm going to do Object, Expand Appearance. It's going to go there. And then they want to put all of the parts together to show volume, create 2 ladder ovals on the acorn. So for that, I would just select this, copy, paste. And I could either change the color or even the opacity. Let's see. Slightly lighter. There we go. And then the same thing with the oval. And then they want to create 2 acorns and then play around with the colors. We're going to do a slight tiny ellipses tool down here at the bottom. I'm going to round this out a little bit more so it looks more like an acorn and less like an olive. And then I'm going to copy paste. Oops. Make that slightly darker. There we go. Size these down, move them on over. And then we're going to create the yellow leaf. I'm going to go ahead and copy paste that. Get rid of that. There we go. And then this one only has 3, so I'm going to get rid of, let's see, ungroup. Get rid of these middle ones. There we go. Give or take. We're going to get a yellow circle, and it doesn't tell me the exact color. So I will go and find that color and bring that back for you. Leaf. It's going to be 236, 222, and 72. And then we're going to go to our Convert Anchor Point tool. And then do only the top one. And then we're going to go to Effect, Warp, Arc, Horizontal, 0, 0, and 30. Okay. And then we're going to go to Effect, Distort and Transform, Roughen, 3 pixels. Absolute Detail, 10, Smooth. Okay. And then I'm going to go to Object, Expand Appearance. Do Arrange, send it back. Okay. And then I'm going to, on this one, do, let's see. Save to keep. The leaf on that one should be 215, 195, and 0. And then I'll look up here. And then go to Effect, Distort and Transform, Zigzag. Enter the new dialog box window, option size 1 pixel. Absolute. Bridges per segment is 25. The points are going to be corner. Okay. And then it just says to put 2 leaves that are darker back behind. And the darker ones are going to be 192, 179, and 56. So that color is going to be 192, 179, and 56. And we're going to do a longer stalk there, shorter stalk on the sides. So once it kind of looks like that, you're done with that part. So then we're going to create some chestnuts. I'm going to group this. I'm going to go ahead and group this and then size it down. Take this one and size it down. And so with the chestnut, we're going to have a brown ellipses. And that's going to be 85, 25, 0. On the direct selection tool, we're going to distort the shape a little bit. Bringing it up just a little bit. And draw another ellipses, which overlaps this brown one. Make a copy of the brown shape in front. Let's see. So I'm going to go ahead and do another one. And this color is 218, 199, 146. I'm going to copy, paste, select that one and this one, and then intersect them. And then I'm going to go and copy paste that, make it tinier. They don't give a direct color on this one. So I'm just going to make it lighter. Try to create more chestnuts by yourself, simply distorting the ellipses. So it's saying basically to create different ones, but with different colors. Okay. Move those over. And then we're going to create an oak leaf, where essentially I'm going to copy paste this. Grab a ellipses. The color on that one's going to be 205, 178, and 47. Range, send back. And then let's see if we can make this one bigger for a minute. There we go. I'm going to Alt-Shift so that I can make multiple copies of that. Okay. And this one's all pretty connected. I'm going to grab these and unite them. There we go. Okay, guys. So then this last part is going to be creating the background for all of this. So I'm going to move all this off to the side. Grab a rectangle. It's going to go across. And the color is going to be 247, 245, and 178. And then we're going to have these circles. Let's see. So I said 600 by 600, but I did 800 because that's what my board is. And it's going to be 239, 238, and 128. Copy, paste, copy, paste. Hold down these. And then I'm going to fill them in with our different elements. Let's see. There we go. And then this one. And when it looks like that, you're done. Just make sure that you save all of this because all of these elements are going to be used inside of our next project.